அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கம். இன்னைக்கு நம்ம என்ன பார்க்க போறோம் அப்படின்னு சொல்லி பார்த்தோம்னா, கான்டெம்பரரி இன் இந்தியா பிஎட்ல கான்டெம்பரரி இந்தியா அப்படிங்கிற பேப்பர்ல இருந்து வந்து நம்ம ஃபர்ஸ்ட் யூனிட்ல என்ன கான்செப்ட் இருக்கு அப்படின்னு சொல்லி ஸோ சொன்னது உங்களுக்கு நல்லா தெரியும். ஸோ கான்டெம்பரரி இந்தியா அண்ட் எஜுகேஷன் அப்படிங்கிற பேப்பர் வந்து மொத்தம் 100 மார்க்கு ஃபுல் பர்ஸ்பெக்டிவ் சொல்லுவாங்க. ஸோ இதுல வந்து 70 மார்க் எக்ஸ்டர்னல் மார்க்ஸும் 30 மார்க் இன்டர்னல் மார்க்ஸ்க்கு எழுதுவீங்க. ஸோ 70 மார்க் அப்படிங்கிறப்ப 7 கொஸ்டின் வரும். ஒரு கொஸ்டினுக்கு 10 மார்க் கொஸ்டின் எக்ஸாம் இருக்கும். ஸோ நீங்க இப்போ நம்ம பார்க்கக்கூடியது என்ன யூனிட் அப்படின்னா ஃபர்ஸ்ட் யூனிட்ல அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்டிங் சோசியல் டைவர்சிட்டி அப்படிங்கிற ஒரு யூனிட் topic. So இதுல பார்த்தோம்னா மீனிங் லெவல்ஸ் ஆஃப் we will see about meaning levels of diversity, understanding education for developing social diversity. Okay, first of all, the meaning of social diversity. What is social diversity? Social diversity is all of the ways that people within a single culture are set apart from each other. Elements of social diversity can include ethnicity, lifestyle, religion, language, tastes, and preferences. Social diversity is nothing but we will adopt each and every one culture and religion and geographical areas. So we will adopt each and every situation. That is called social diversity. In social diversity, there are variety of social diversity is there. First of all, we will see about caste diversity, regional diversity, linguistic diversity, racial diversity, cultural diversity, economic diversity, religious diversity, gender diversity. That is also called a levels of social diversity. That is religious diversity, linguistic diversity, racial diversity, cultural diversity, individual diversity, sexual diversity, geographical diversity. Okay. What is called religious diversity? Religious diversity is nothing but the fact that there are significant differences in religious belief and practice. It has always been recognized by people outside the smallest and most isolated communities. Certain religions, each and every religion will follow certain rules and regulations. That type of diversity is called religious diversity. That religious diversity depending upon the smallest area people who smallest area who are people living in that area are most isolated communities are mainly living in their particular religion. That is called a religious diversity. And then cultural diversity. Cultural diversity is nothing but the way people live in India as reflected is culture. Unity in diversity. India is a land of unity in diversity where people of different sects, caste and religion live together. India is also called a land of unity in diversity. It's different as different groups of people cooperate with each other to live in a single society. That is called a cultural diversity. In India followed a unity in diversity. That is வேற்றுமையில் ஒற்றுமையில் இருப்போம் அப்படிங்கிற மாதிரி கான்செப்ட். So in that cultural diversity. And then geographical diversity. Geographical diversity, India have a variety of geographical area are located in there. So that different parts of the world have vastly varying climates broadly defined by their latitudes. It is important to remember that within the same climatic region there can be significant variations caused by the local conditions. That is called a geographical diversity. So we will see about a cultural diversity and geographical diversity. This picture shows that in our Tamil Nadu is located in that place, and there are variety of states are presented in our India. So cultural diversity is our variety of culture are also followed. In this diagram represents that the in Tamil Nadu followed the Hinduism, so that Bharatanatyam is one of the culture of our state. And also each and every state contains a variety of cultures, so that will show that the pictures. So There are levels of diversity. So we will discuss about the cultural diversity, geographical diversity, and last one is economic diversity. Economic diversity or economic diversification refers to variations in the economic status or the use of broad range of economic activities in a region or country. Diversification is used as a strategy to encourage positive economic growth and development. Then last one topic is understanding in education for or understanding education for developing social diversity. Understanding education for developing social diversity to the students. How we are developing social diversity to the students? Education is concerned with all people and considered as a basic social need of all societies. Keeping in mind the heterogeneous character of Indian society, the national policy on education NVC gives harmonious development of all groups, that is promoting development and maintaining group identities in an integrated manner. It is called understanding education for social developing social diversities in the students. This pictures clearly shows that how education are very useful or understanding the social diversity to the students. First of all, education, and in education will give a learning spectrum to the students, and also education will also give an importance to the women's education, and we will see about a variety of teaching technologies or pedagogy subjects in our core papers, in our first year papers, so that we will teaching on language pedagogy and AIFLAMP, and then community participation and difficulties in participatory methods and solutions. Space, that is a rural, urban, and social issues, caste, gender. And education will also give you educators and their work. And education will give you theoretical perspectives, and education will give a differences and diversity in the education sector in India. So education is very, very important factor to develop a social diversity to the students. So that's all in the first unit. So we will in first unit, that is contemporary India and education. In first unit is understanding social diversity. We will be discussed about, or we will saw about meaning of social diversity, levels of social diversity, and understanding education for developing social diversity. So there are these are the levels of social diversity. First of all, caste diversity, regional diversity, economic diversity, religious diversity, gender diversity, linguistic diversity, racial diversity, cultural diversity. So we will discuss about each and every one, and these pictures clearly explain about the cultural diversity, linguistic diversity, geographical diversity, and also economic diversity. So in education, will also develop a social diversity to the students. These points are very helpful to develop a social diversity to the students. Okay, teachers, thank you. So this video is very helpful to all. So watching this video and watching again and again. So if you like this video, please like and share and also subscribe. Thank you for watching this video. And once again, I would like to say thanks to all. Thank you.